Next feature is send to app. When application is running, user can send custom commands to the debugged application during the active debug session. And for that, if it is not running, we will not be able to see the command. So I have first start the application first and resume it. This custom command can be useful to log some information or runtime statistics, or even configure some parts of the application at runtime in the development phase. So for this to work, our target RTS has to be customized to add the support of custom command. For this demo, I have already used a changed version of target RTS, and I'm using that. And I have already added a custom command that I will use to show it. So for that, user can use the gear icon, command palette, or Control Shift P to go to the commands, and there will be a send to app action. Once you click, user has to type the command that they want to send to a debugged application. Currently, I have added print stats command that will actually print the statistics of one of the debug controller in the target RTS.
Was a missing T, I think.
Okay. Yeah, so you can see it prints the statistics of the one of the debug controller. This is how the set to app works, and more information of how to add the support for custom commands can be found in the code real-time documentation. The third feature that I will be showing is automatic build before the launch. So if we clean the application and if you want to run, then there is no need to build the application. It will automatically detect if there is no executable or build has some changes. Then it will automatically build and then it will run. And if user wants this behavior to be different, then they can add one parameter in the launch configuration for the launch type request. So that is build before launch, and by default it is true. So it will always build whenever there is change in the application or there is no executable at all. But if user make it false, then the automatic build will be disabled, and if they debug, then they may debug the old version of application, or if there is no application at all, then user can see an error message. This is useful if user wants to have a complex version of build task that is using some build variant or some external configuration of the application. Then they can disable it and then add the pre-launch task. For now, I'll just show how this works. I will just clean again, and if I run, then as build before launch is false, it will not build the application and it will just throw error message. So I will just remove it again and again build it, then it will again build. So this is how this will work. That's all from my side on the debugging features improvement. Let me know if there are any question or comment.